Hi, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching me for. God bless you for taking your time to watch my video. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my face, of coming across my video, please subscribe for me, support me, and God will bless you as you do so in Jesus' name. So guys, I don't come back with another big story, another ogbonge story, very important story and interesting story. I don't really understand the things when they go home for Nigeria. I don't really understand what they go on again. I don't really understand what they go on with many of our parents. The women they take they leave children anyhow, our children anyhow. The one they take their high not the rich ground for children body again. So I don't understand why it they be like that now. What you call the apple? Okay, now see this girl now. Oh, now they see so for help of my screen, now see her. The secondary school girl. Small girl like that, say because of say teacher say make it baby here. Teacher quarrel with her, say make he cut her hair. When she cut, they come back the next day come school, she got carry gun. Now see this kind of thing. All this kind of thing is good. This kind of girl for this kind of age, you don't they carry that kind of gun. Say teacher taught to run carry gun go school, which is very bad. Many of our parents, they not just they put eye for our children body, they'll just leave children anyhow. They not they monitor them. They not they care the way when they take they live their life. They not just they care, and it's very bad. At least it good maybe say our high the rich ground for our children body. How could you believe, okay, as this girl did now, this small girl did now, okay, yeah, if of course see that gun, who give her the gun? Now still a fellow children, I see fellow children like her, still small children, we all those ones for see gun, now small boys, small girls, all of them they carry gun like toy, nobody they fear again. They not even the fear to hold the gun. That time when they grow the concept. If we even see our even see gun, will they fear to even near them? Will say may not go shoot us. Will they fear to near them? Even gun self when they take they do one thing. If you even see yourself, you they fear to near them. Fear not let you touch them. I don't understand the way this our society they go. I don't understand. I don't know the kind of things when they happen. I don't understand the way when parents take they leave children. Like my previous video, you see that small boy too. When you say during the time of the last protest when they do for Edo State, they go carry gun. He with his brother. The gun now that they go use and rob. Very small boy. That they go use and rob. As that small boy be nice, say they don't kill. If the blood don't still there in hand, they don't kill 3 people. I don't understand. I don't even know what they happen at all for this our country, Nigeria. I don't just know. I don't know what they happen. Even though say the government call bad, it could be say make parents not still take care of their children, no matter what. Make them their high not see the rich grant for children body. This life won't do so now. So prayer will they pray. Now prayer because no children want learn work again. No of them want learn work. No of them want use their life do better thing again. Most of them, pikin go just they grow they come. You know why you go school, you know why go school. learn work, you know, wan learn work, you go say you wan travel go. The next thing you hear, you go say you wan travel go Ghana. What do you wan go do for Ghana? All these kind of things, me, I don't understand them. I beg our parents, I beg. May our heart dey reach ground for what our children they do. Our children movement, everything, more would they try our best. I know say we not go fit do everything finish now. God, yes, now God we know, and more will still they pray. See they use prayer, they support them. More will still they pray because we know they follow them go school. We don't know what they do for school. You understand? We don't know the kind of friends when they move with together with for school. So I beg, more at least more will still try our best. More will they support our children with prayers. More will still they advise them. More will let them be our best friends so that they're not going to hide anything from us. They're not going to hide anything from us. So parents, I beg, more not try. More not try. More not add the rich grant for children body. More not try. You not get anything when you go take una. Una try to make una children una best friends so that at least anything when they go home, when they happen, they open up to una, they tell una. If another pikin wants to spoil them, they go tell una. You understand? Even though say they not tell una all the detail, that small information when they go still give una. Now something, now for you to still trace what they happen, for you to know everything. So parents, I beg. Now beg I dey beg una. Beg now I dey beg una. Una add the rich grant for children body. So I thank una. As una take patience, take watch this video, take stay with me. May God bless una for me. For those when be say just they see my video for the first time, you don't know me before, you are just passing by, then you see this video, I beg, not forget to like this video, subscribe for me, and drop your comments of what you feel about this thing. Why I just talk just now, what you still feel. You drop your comment and try me you help me press your notification bell so that if I upload any new video, you'll be the first person when go first they see my videos. So I thank all of una do well. God will bless una as now for una time. Una take patient with me, listening me to me what I get to tell una. God will bless una in Jesus' name. So I will see una for my next video. May I leave una now. Okay, now una take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.